Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill with Spring Pressure Washing. Here we are on a Saturday. It's the week before Christmas, so a little bit chilly start this morning. We're at 51 degrees, I believe, at last I checked. So, I mean, it's not really cold, but it's cold for us down here. At any rate, on the agenda today, we have 2 house washes and a fence wash. So let's get busy. We'll see you at the job site. All right, so here we are at the first job. We'll walk you around and show you what we got here. It's not a real big house, but got the driveway coming up here. Got this front entrance area, sidewalk, front walkway. There's some algae growth up along the top there. Some more down here. Down on this side gets a little bit worse. And up along there with the shed in the back here. Not too bad on the back of it. It's mainly on the front side. Again, the north side. I'm trying to make this thing look new again. And then along the back of the house. With the soffits and the eave overhangs. Alright, so that's the job for this morning. Let's get moving. Okay, so we're all done here. I'll take you for a walk and show you how it came out. The front. The side's all gone. Front entrance. Take around the side and the back. All that green's all gone from in here. The shed came out nice. All along the back here, all the green's gone. It's all bright and fresh. And of course the shed too. Alright, so that's it for this job. We're off to the next.